Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change product color for your speaker QCY SP7 in the application. And you need to open QCY application. Of course, you need to add your speaker to the app, and then you will see the same menu. And right here we have two options how to change it. So the first one, in the main menu, in the status, you need to click at the three dots. And right here we have another product color, so tap at the best one for you. Also, this setting you can find in the setting. So you need to or click at the setting or just scroll, swipe it, then go to the more settings and click device information. But we need to have connection with the speaker. So click at the device information, and right here we have at the last line product color. Tap at this line and the same menu. So right here now select the second one. So by default it use dark color, and I have green, so I click the green, and we just did it. So right here we have another icon and the same right here. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.